What keeps us going during storm season? It's not what, it's who.
Thank you, we appreciate it.
It's the helpful neighbors,
The young guy doing a good job.
the extra milers,
You have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.
the caretakers,
It's nice to see you.
and the early risers. And when a storm does hit, Florida needs a power company that's ready. That's why we work year-round to build a stronger grid. And when needed, our crews restore power safely and as quickly as possible. Because at FPL, we're working every single day to get you the reliable electricity you need in good weather and bad, so you can focus on what matters most. FPL, working for you every single day.